Hello everyone. Today we're addressing a common question. Is it possible to get a VPN without paying? The answer is yes, but there are some important limitations you need to be aware of when using free VPNs. Let's break it down. First, free VPNs often restrict access to servers. Most servers are locked behind a paywall, leaving you with only a few options. These limited servers usually cannot unblock streaming services or bypass geo-restrictions. Additionally, free VPNs impose data limits. For example, if your internet speed is 50 megabits per second, a free VPN might cap your speed at around 2 megabits per second. Another issue is security. Maintaining secure servers is expensive, so free VPNs typically reserve their best and most secure servers for paying customers. This means the level of encryption and protection you receive is often inadequate. In some cases, free VPNs may collect and sell your data to cover their costs, and some even include malware, which compromises your privacy further. If you need reliable performance, strong security, and access to a wide range of features, a premium VPN is a much better choice. Premium VPNs don't have these limitations and are designed to provide a smooth and secure experience. I've tested many VPNs and narrowed it down to the best options for every budget. NordVPN is an excellent choice if you're looking for top-tier performance and strong security features. It's a versatile VPN that delivers excellent value for the price. If you're on a tighter budget, Surfshark is a fantastic option that offers many premium features at a lower cost. It's particularly good for beginners. ProtonVPN is another great choice, known for its robust security and reliable performance, and it even offers a free version with no ads, although with limited features. All of these VPNs also come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test them risk-free. Even if you choose a 1-month plan, you can request a refund if you're not satisfied. To get started with any of these VPNs, check the links in the description below to get them at a great price.